Welcome to Speak Now English. Never forget in life. It is with immense pleasure that I welcome you to Speak Now English. It is a very exciting moment for you to become fluent speaker of English. You should get your goal of English speaking as soon as possible, and you will be the winner of your dream come true. It is said by respected Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, a dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. सपना वह नहीं है जो आप सोते समय देखते हैं. यह एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपको सोने नहीं देती है. I would like to tell you that this journey will give you the real success in your communication skills. I'm looking forward that you will follow all the instructions of workshop manual book for spoken English, fluent spoken English. Listen all audios and watch all videos to assure yourself to become automated fluent speaker of English. It is one of the opportunity in your life to give your career boost. It is said that opportunity once knocked door. It will be proud moment for you that once you will become a speaker of English, you will be able to gain all kinds of communicational success. During these upcoming days or weeks, you will be learning about speaking English in detail. You will be able to gain all understanding of the creative and practical meditational method of learning English speaking, like bicycle riding or swimming, that you will never forget in your life. We are really excited to see you as soon as a speaker of English. We are always glad to have a student, trainee like you that fulfill their goal and career success. We organize various workshops, talks, and campaigns through our students and trainees to take the part and speak about their achievement during the learning of communication skills in English. Since 1998, I am teaching and training for English speaking and train thousands of people to achieve their goal in communication skills. During that, I found people are not getting their right path to become fluent speaker of English. Now this book is real and true friends of your English speaking journey that you no need to remember it. You follow the process and within 45 days you can start speaking fluently English. Give at least 24 minutes out of 24 hours in a day. 24 minutes into 365 days equal to 8,760 minutes equal to 146 hours are enough to sign in your English speaking success. I want to thank you once again, and I believe that we together can achieve your success journey of spoken English. I would like to give you continuous support for your better future. Feel free to contact us and give your feedback for betterment. It is said by respected Swami Vivekanand ji, do one thing at a time, and while doing it, put your whole soul into it, to the exclusion of all else. एक समय में एक काम करो और इसे करते समय बाकी सबको छोड़कर अपनी पूरी आत्मा को उसमें डाल दो. Get your goal to become a speaker of English. Thank you to enroll with Speak Now English. Yours sincerely, Kaushal Kishor. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best to become fluent speaker of English.